Alright, hello everybody, it's me Krim, and today we're back with another episode of Star Technology. Um, I haven't really done very much since the last episode, so we're just gonna jump right into it here. I was looking at the quest book, and I saw that I could now make Signalum, so it's my MV superconductor, so I just thought I'd start off making some of that. And just before starting this up, I did really quickly, I took some of the blackstone out of here and I took out all the cobblestone and gravel from here so I could crush up some blackstone, and we're gonna run that through the mechanical sieve here, and we'll get more galena, and that way, at least I was looking at the ore processing diagram, and that's probably going to be my best way of getting silver for right now, because I didn't really have very much silver. I thought I would have, accumulated a little bit more of it by now, but we only had like 90 something silver dust in my big chest over here, so I figured we should probably start looking at getting some more of that. But we do have quite a bit of space in this. I think if you open it up this way and look, like we're not even halfway there yet. So that's nice. That'll last us for a while longer. So do I have anything? Ooh, a bunch of red alloy. Take that. Okay, that was it. I think I'm gonna take half of that, turn it into wires. And I'll leave the other half as it is, just in case we need it for anything else. Okay. Oh yeah, let's grab some signalum. Already got 28 of it. Do I smelt that in a furnace? No. Do it in the blast furnace. Right, and there was a recipe that used nitrogen gas and it was a little bit quicker. I don't have that yet, so we're going to be doing the one that doesn't use nitrogen gas. So it needs to be set to 1, which it already is, and we'll throw that in there. See, can I run this at the same... Oh yeah, they're on separate lines, so they're fine. Cool. This thing fills up so quickly. Okay, and I will need to hook up the regular water line back onto this. So we'll let that run for a little longer until we get, a bunch more of that in there. Okay. That's going to take a while too. So we're waiting on that. Read about overclock. Is that just where you plug in multiple hatches? Yeah, okay. So we'll make that, and then we can make a converter and start actually running some MV recipes on stuff. Let's see. You make these. So, small pile of gallium arsenide dust. Liquid glass. Quartzite. Where do you get quartzite from? Quartzite geode. Is that one of the ones I'm getting out of my rock filtrator? Have to go check that out. Because I know right now I've just been making these ones. But, okay, there's quartzite in there. So that's just out right now. Okay. So we probably will want to make another one of these eventually. I'll set the recipe. Let's see. Set to 2. Is it 1? It's the normal one. I guess we'll find out here in just a second. Take a bunch of gravel. So diamond, emerald, and ruby. Let's see. Oh, nope. This one. Okay. Ooh. That's what I'll do. I'll set it on 3. There you go. And then we'll just get quartz or quartzite, and I think it was Certus quartz geodes, something like that, which will actually be what I need to get started with applied energistics too. So we will get a bunch of those. We're going to need to bring some more distilled water over as well. But I do think we have a couple tanks of that actually ready to go. I mean, we have these here, which we'll need to move eventually. So we've got this one. This one here. And that one. Alright. We'll just take all of them down there. So then this one, output there. Oh, that one was already set right. Input. Okay. We'll give it that much, and I'll save the one here. Keep that nearby, just in case we need it for a different recipe or something. So we can go make a little more too. Input, and then the regular water already outputting. Cool. That needs water too. Okay, take there, and then we'll give it 2. Take this. How much of it is even done yet? Okay, a few pieces. Okay, we'll take that. That's part of the quest. Then so I'll turn I don't know, I guess I'll just turn a few of it into wires. Cool. And then that's that quest done. We'll probably just turn all of it into wires. I can always make more. Okay. Take those. Oh, what did I drop? Okay, now we can make the MV converter. That one. So we will need one MV circuit. It's okay. Think we'll probably need to make another flux cell too. Just so we have more room for outputting. Let's see. There's one open spot on the side there, but I could also put another cell. So I think that's what I'll do. Oh, 1 second. Alright, we're back. Sorry about that, everyone. My grandma came home and she wanted to talk to me. And then I took a quick lunch break, but we're back. And let's see, how much of this has been used up? Not that much. That happens pretty slowly. But let's check here. 16 signalum. Oh, wait. Just looking here, because we'll take all of that, throw it in the mechanical sieve. We should have quite a bit in here, yeah. Okay. Cool. So let's take that signalum. Let's throw it into, take we'll put 8 of it, since we already have a couple here. And let's see. So we'll need a few of these to make the converter, or at least one. So we need some diodes. Save that recipe. Oh wait, no. This one. This one. Okay. So the liquid glass then, we have an extractor. We just need to put the quartzite dust. And we should have some geodes down here. $11. Okay. It's not very many. We will crush it down really quick. Let's see. Macerator. Okay, so that'll do its thing. That's gonna need even more water. Okay. Only have one water tank for now. I will replace it. And I'll plug it into the ore washer. So then that quartzite ore Okay, so that's with the electric ore processor. Could do that. Okay. Yeah, we'll put it in the electric ore processor. Should be simple. Let's see, we'll come over here. We'll just swap out what's in the input. And so after that finishes, it'll do all the quartzite dust really quick. And yeah, then we're golden. Well, kind of. We're almost there. What did I come over here for? Some gravel. Go put it into that thing. Should probably look into just making another one of these. Shouldn't be too difficult. I should have most of the stuff I need. Let's see. We'll run this back over to a macerator as well. Okay. I don't want to confuse it. Okay, never mind. I'll hold on to this aluminum for now. So I'll make a little bit more. Okay. Okay. So that's running. We'll make... Oh, I need a crafting table. So we need that. Then... Is this? Yes. Quartzite. So if I take that in the extractor, I get liquid glass. Okay. Where's, or what did I, what setting does it need to be? Extractor, oh, no setting. That one. Do that, and that's gonna take a little while. We'll put this in here. Okay, so we need a bunch of fine copper wire. I think I have some in here, but if not, it's pretty easy to make. Fine. Yeah, 32. I'll just go make a bunch more of it right now. See, I think if I put that whole stack in there, I'll get like 4 stacks out of it. So we'll start with that, and I think I set it to 3. Yeah, okay. So that's doing its thing. Is this done? No. 144 millibuckets. Not very many. So this crushed Certus quartz, what can I do with you? Nether quartz. Okay. So if I put it through here, I don't get any nether quartz out of it. I do with this. Okay. I think my best option is probably still gonna be to put it through the ore processor though, unless I specifically need nether quartz. We'll do that really quick again. Okay. Don't have another empty tank right now. I'll run down and check the rock filtrator. Oh, there's an empty tank right here. Check this thing out too. 2 empties. Okay. Can grab a little bit more gravel to throw in there. Okay. I just realized that I never really finished building that bridge. Okay, back up here. Transfer that into this tank. And then hopefully I have enough. I do. Alright, we're gonna get a couple resistors. And then this will keep doing its thing. Alright. Let's save the recipe for this really quick. Okay. Electrum and lead. It's gold and what? Is it gold and redstone? Silver and gold. Okay. Another reason why I need more silver. Okay, 2 diodes. Just stick those in the chest. And what else do I need? These. I need a chemical reactor. Okay. So we'll need a chemical reactor. We'll need this. Glue and wood. Okay. And iron cupric chloride. How do you make this? Chemical reactor. Hydrogen. Hydrochloric acid. Okay, I'm gonna need, what is the thing? I'll definitely need a couple chemical reactors, but there's this, the gas collector. Okay. So we already have that recipe saved somewhere. Need that. Okay. Then centrifuge. Need chemical reactor. And I'll add the chemical bath too, because I've seen that in some of the ore processing diagrams. Okay. So we need this. Need make one tin cable. Oh. We'll take a bunch of steel up to the bender really quick. Oh. Alright, this is not exactly the safest factory. Okay, let's check on this. A couple more diodes. Okay, that's waiting. Okay. Some plates. Okay, did that. Now we make this. Iron bars. How do you make this thing? Zinc foil. And a lazurite plate. That's what I needed the lazurite for. Okay. So you need a cutter. Okay, block of lazurite. Presser. How do you make that? I think I have it in dust form. Powder barrel. Implosion compressor. I don't have that. I see. So can I? Okay, the sodalite. What can I? raw sodalite. Okay, so if I take the raw sodalite and crush it, I get that and a chance of lazurite. Why do I feel like that's what I was already doing, though? Raw sodalite. Okay. Well, run it back through. Macerator. Oh, is there a circuit I have to set it on? That. No. I don't know if that's gonna work though. Oh, you can use a sodalite plate too, or a lapis plate. Okay. So then, I don't want to crush this up. Do I want... see, is it better to smelt it? Okay, I get 6 out of it if I just smelt it. That seems really good. I think I'm gonna do that. Cool. So that'll do its thing for a couple minutes and should be on our way. We'll get this, and I think that's the last thing we need to make the gas collector. We'll need a centrifuge, which I think I have one up there, but might as well just make another one. I'll need it eventually, so 4 circuits is a lot. Copper wire, charcoal dust. I can make both of those. Well, actually, I have the copper wire. Okay. Oh, and that happens pretty quickly. Take that back down here. Hopefully I have enough paper. $62. Alright, that's definitely Now I need these 6. Oh, steel plates is now the problem. Do that, and then we'll make some more wrought iron really quick too. Ooh, I'm running low on charcoal. I don't need to be in here. Throw the wrought iron in, all that. Then make some more steel plates up here. I think I already have some in the bender though. Just take those back down with me really quick. Okay. 5. Which is enough to make a centrifuge. While I'm up here, or down here, I guess, I'll grab what I need to make some more electrum. We'll see if I have any. Oh. Okay, I do have some. We'll make more anyways, but... Okay, 2 more. We'll need 2 of those. I think I have an alloy smelter up here. Pretty sure I built one. Oh. This one, okay. Boom. Wait. Okay, 2 of those. And this one needs to output. Cool. So now we have a bigger power buffer. But more importantly, more places to plug in. Let's see, what am I waiting on? Oh yeah, I already got those. We'll throw that. Then back down here. Let's see. We just need this thing now. Right, we need a chemical reactor. Got that. Okay, I guess I already had one. That's okay. We'll, end up needing more than one of pretty much every machine by the end of this every day, so. Or, anyways. Okay. We have that. We have the assembler. How do you make glue? That's why I made a whole bunch of this. So yeah, I can't do that yet. So we have sticky resin, and it just makes glue. And some other stuff. That was centrifuge. Oh, in the assembler, but you make glue in the centrifuge. Okay. So then glue goes to the assembler with the wood pulp. Which you get by sending wood to a macerator. Okay. Probably. Nope, more copper wire in order. Should have brought some wood up here. Grab 2 stacks because I'll put one in here. I know we're only gonna get like 2 pieces of charcoal out of it, but that's fine. The other one to the macerator. Check back down here. Is it out of fluid or out of gravel? Got a few more of those. Take those and crush them up as well. Oh wow. Okay, this video is almost 45 minutes long. I'm just now noticing that. Put these away really quick and we'll run off somewhere quiet and do the outro. Let's go up to the roof. We never come up here. Haven't done much with this place yet. We have this farm that like kind of works, but for some reason I could never figure out how to get the output bus to work. Maybe it needs to be on the front. Maybe that was the problem. But yeah, I can never get this to actually work for me. So I just have to come up here and manually empty the output every once in a while, and then put it in the chest myself, and that's how I've been making bone meal. But yeah, this place has been largely unused. We'll probably, once we start expanding the factory, it'll probably happen up here. I was thinking, like, I don't know, I'm trying to like shoot some ideas off with myself. I was thinking it'd be cool to have like a little ring that kind of went around and had this area in the center. and we kind of branch off out into like a ring on the outside. I think that'd be pretty cool. I just don't know how, you know, useful that's going to be as far as actually building my factory goes and automating things, but we will just have to keep playing and see. You know, it's still been a lot of fun. I feel like today was kind of a weird episode. I feel like we didn't... I mean, we looked at a bunch of stuff in here. We have a bunch of stuff being made right now, but I feel like I was kind of all over the place, just, you know. But I have a good idea of what we're going to be doing going forward, though. Like, let's see. We're on our way to making this. Actually, that ore's probably done smelting, so I'll probably craft this up in just a second. We have that. And then we're going to be making our first MV circuit or good electronic circuit pretty soon. See, we need probably a couple more of those. And then, yeah, just this, but that'll be easy. Just gotta set up a little area for it, and that'll be going on its way. So yeah, it's still pretty early in the day here. I plan on keep playing for a little while, so I will yeah, I guess I appreciate everyone watching, and I'll probably just start a new episode here, and hopefully we can get a little bit more done. But yeah, appreciate everyone watching once again, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.